beautifuls, it's Nancy from Simple Beauty TV. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you a simple easy remedy for skin whitening. This awesome soap remedy can lighten your skin tone 3 shades, and it will lighten your knuckles, elbows or knees. It will also remove any blemishes you may have or acne scars. But make sure to subscribe and turn the bell icon on to never miss any of awesome effective remedy. We need 1 bar of soap. I'm using Dove soap, but you can use any type of soap you want. Then in a clean bowl, we need to shred all the soap. Then we will put the shredded soap over a hot water to melt it. After all the soap has melted, we are ready to add the rest of the ingredients. At this point, if your water is still hot, take it out and then add the rest of the ingredients. But my water was already cooled down. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Add 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Then add a pinch of saffron. And mix all the ingredients together very well, so they will have no clumps like this. Then I'm using a plastic cup to form the soap in. Press the sides a bit, then freeze it for 2 hours. Then take it out by pressing the bottom of the cup and it will pop right out. Use this soap on wet body as you do with normal soap. Massage it for 1 to 2 minutes, then wash your hand with water. Use this soap every day and after a week you will notice a big difference. This soap will lighten your skin tone, your knuckles, knees or elbows. It will get rid of any blemishes or acne scars you may have. And if you kept using this, it can lighten your skin tone up to 3 shades. So that was it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell icon on to never miss any effective remedies coming up. And see you in my next video. Bye!